Hello and welcome back. I'm Christy, the voice behind Crafty Christy's Creations Silhouette Studio Tutorials, which is a subset of Crafty Christy's Creations how-to videos. This is the place to find step-by-step directions on how to do all the things in Silhouette Studio. Whether you're a beginner or needing a little refresher, this is the place for you. So grab your computer and open Silhouette Studio. It's time to dive into another episode.
All right, today we are talking all about nesting. So nesting is really good to use when you are trying to save space on cardstock or on your vinyl. And what that means is it will take all of the shapes and designs that you have and it will fit them onto your designated space in a way that will use every little piece and get the most out of your cardstock or vinyl. So I'm sure by now most of you have heard of the hashtag A World of Hearts. I have been following this movement for a little while now, and I've already put some stuff up, but I'm going to make some more hearts and decorate a few more windows in my car. And so in order to do this, I've already started designing a couple of hearts here, and I'm going to show you our typical way to fill the page and then what happens when you nest. So if I grab these designs here, and then if I can come over to the replicate panel and I can, just replicate them this direction, or you also have the option to fill the page. And you can see when you do that, it put a few too many on here. I'm just going to get rid of a few of these. But you can see that it still leaves a lot of empty room here. So I'm going to leave these ones sitting here as well. And then in order to fill up more of this room and get more bang for my buck, I'm going to come down here to the nesting panel. And it looks like little like claws or a hair pick. And I'm going to use the cut area. And I've clicked off only shapes on the media, meaning it's going to pick anything that's on my screen, not just what's on my mat. The padding is how much space you want in between each area. So I'm cutting this out of cardstock, so I'm going to put a little more padding than I would if it was vinyl, because we all know that vinyl weeds a lot easier than cardstock. So I've got that set for 3, and then rotations is how many times it can take your heart and turn it on a different axis to find a way for it to fit on the paper. So the more you do rotations, the better chances you're going to get more designs on your page. And then I'm going to hit nest. Sometimes this takes a minute, and you can see, look at that. Look how many hearts it fit on there. And it only took up half the page versus a full page before. So that is why you would use the nesting tool. It really saves a lot of space. I could take this and I could duplicate it below and fill up that page completely. So you get way more bang for your buck using the nesting tool. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future Silhouette Studio tutorials. Until next time, with love, Crafty Christy.